Hey there, this is IK Ifeanyi, and today is a beautiful day. It's a wonderful day, and today we're going to talk about how to make money doing nothing. I mean, for this, I have to preface that you need money to make money, and I am not ActorFX or those ads you see that tell you to invest and then you get some money. But the app that's going to help us do this is Opay. And you have heard of Opay. And if you have not heard of it, let's talk about it now. Opay is a fintech app. It has banking feature and other features. Opay is a company that made Opera Mini. So if you're using Opera Mini browser, you're using an app from the company, from the makers of Opay. I just ordered a credit card, 600 naira for my money, and I'm going to be comparing it with the Kuda and Opay card later. But for now, let's talk about how to make money so I don't delay you guys. To make money, you have to first create an account. And to create an account, you need your phone number, your email address, and your BVN. I made a video previously about BVN and if it can be used to steal money, and I'll be linking in the description for those of you who are paranoid and scared of your BVN or the money inside. How much do you have? Okay, with that said, when you create an account, you have to go to the finance feature. Make sure you have money into your account. Money with any amount there, but having like 100,000 naira is divine or above, because why not? I actually wanted to tell you guys that today, this month, I broke the $100,000 naira mark. America, it's a very, very definitive threshold. Once you get more than $100,000 in your American account, you have made it. Cause it says that the first 100,000 naira is going to be the hardest, but the second won't be. So I crossed 103,000 naira this month, but I am back now to 93,000 naira because that 100,000 naira was my money plus clients' money. So I did what they wanted, and to do it I had to take some money out. And even now, 93, it's still somebody's money. My money there is 80,000 naira, and it means that I just have to get more clients and I'm set. Yes. And I want to tell you about my company, but we'll talk about it later in the ending of this video. So back to Opay. To get money with Opay, you have to deposit some money. Opay is just like a banking app, like Kuda, like PiggyVest. Just that Opay gives more. PiggyVest gives 10% for locking up your money and gives 8%, but PiggyVest comes with an asterisk because if you don't want to save, I don't recommend using PiggyVest. But if you just want to keep your money and watch it make more money for you, then Opay is the best plug. Then you have to put some money into your Opay account, and then when you deposit, you have to go to the finance part of it. Go to the finance part of it and then click Owealth. When you click Owealth, it's going to tell you to invest, just the same as depositing. But when you deposit, you can deposit an amount you want. I'm going to tell you, you're going to be getting significant something when you deposit over 10,000 naira. With that said, when you deposit every 10 o'clock, it's paid every 10 o'clock, 10 p.m. in the night. And I'm not sure if it's 10 p.m. in the night or 10 p.m. in the afternoon. I'm going to put my screenshot. I might even make a screen record if you guys are doubting this. And the divine part of this is that the money that you are paid is paid back into your balance. So it means that the next day it is compounded. I don't know if you guys have talked about, if you guys have heard about compounding interest, but Warren Buffett said that it's the greatest force in the universe. So it means it keeps compounding. And with the interest calculator in the app, you can see the amount you'll be earning per year. You can see the amount you'll be earning per month, per week, and per day. But that's not going to be correct because it is compounding every day. If I get 13 naira today, it is paid to the account, and then my 100,000 naira it's no longer 100,000 naira, it's 100,030 naira. And then the next day, it is more 31 naira might be what I gained, and then it's put back. And I want to tell you guys that your money is not held. You can take your money out, you can use it to buy a recharge card, and that's one of the reasons why I left PiggyVest. With Opay, you have no restrictions. You can use your money as you wish and still aim like you did something for them. But sometimes I think, is this company going to fall apart? Because the money they give is astronomical. It's too much. And you might say, I'm gonna put my screenshots. I've made up to like 1,900 and something just this month. I started using the app this month, yes. And you might say, oh, this is sketchy, this is bougie, or the other part will be saying it's not even that much. But I want to tell you that if you invest or if you deposit, let's just leave the word invest. Apps like OctaFX and other bougie Ponzi apps have made the sound, the word invest loses meaning. I don't want to say it again. So if you deposit some money into your Owealth and get paid, let's say you deposit like 1 million naira, let's say you deposit like 2 million naira, it's not going to be the same. So this is the end of the video. I don't talk about myself. My name is Ifeanyi, and I am a CEO. The CEO, you know, the word CEO sounds a little bit cliche, but that's it. I am CEO of Sapphire, a company that wants to customize luxury and all that. I'll be linking the company website or the company page, and I'll be linking my socials. It will be in a link called Link3. When you click on my Link3, it will send you to a website having all my socials. So follow me, stalk me, love me. And I just want to tell you, like this video and make sure you subscribe if you like the vibes we're pulling here. I'll be making a video immediately after this one talking about how to make money when you buy recharge cards. Thank you. This is me editing the video. I wanted to say that Opay is an online only bank, so they make more gain than they spend. Like traditional bank has to pay for land, license, employees. There are less overhead costs for Opay, so Opay is more willing to share what they have with their users. The other time when I was watching a video of how PiggyVest make money, they say they make money buying stocks, commercial papers, real estate, white papers, etc. So I'm guessing that Kuda and Opay does the same. But they have less to spend and more to reserve. So they just share the reserve with others. And even Branch gives 20%, but it's not on iOS.